All right, BBQ Rando here, and we're going to talk about Power Outage tonight. This is by Shogun Fireworks. These are 3 giant blue balls that emits crackling sparks. Not only are we going to light fuse and get away, we're going to light them and freaking flip them. So let's head outside. We're taking our balls with us. Let's blow them up off to the streets. Woo! Here we go, Power Outage. Let's do another one, grandson.
That's what I was expecting.
Yep. Put that a little bit further, right on the street there. You're good. Beautiful. Yeah. All right, Aaron, come on. These are blue balls. Yep, wait for him to come. Good, Aaron. Run, Aaron, run. Woo!